Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel, The Maths Boot. Today I am here with the next model paper which I received in a group. So that is the midterm model paper 2. So one model paper I have completed in my previous video. So let us see the second model paper for midterm examination. It is like a practice paper for your upcoming midterm exam. So let us see the question here. Degree of polynomial p of x, x cube minus 1 is, we know highest power is degree, so degree is 3. So the first answer is option C, 3. Let us see the second one. From the graph, distance between the point A and origin is. So we can see here in the graph, the point A is here and we can see x point is 4 and y point is nothing but 3. 4 comma 3 and origin. I have already solved here. Let me show you. Here 4 comma 3 and origin. We know that when there is an origin we use this formula d is equals to root of x square plus y square, and this first number is x and the second one is y. So d is equals to x value is 4 square plus y value is 3 square. D is equals to 4 square is 16 plus 3 square 9. 16 plus 9 is 25. So D is nothing but 5 units. Let us see in the option 5 units. Yes, C is equals to 5 unit. So option C is correct answer. Let us see the next question. For the given two positive integers a and b having h and l as HCF and LCM, then the correct relationship between them is, we all know that HCF into LCM is equals to A into B. Let us see HCF into LCM, H into L is equal to A into B. So the option 1 A is only correct option. Okay, let us see next question. Discriminant of x square minus 2x plus 3 is. So we have a formula here question, that is the equation is x square minus 2x plus 3 equal to 0. So let us see, a value is 1, b value is minus 2, c value is 3. We know discriminant formula, d is equals to b square minus 4ac. So minus sign, b value is minus 2 whole square minus 4, as it is a value is 1, c value is 3. Minus and square minus will go because minus into minus is plus. So 2 square 4, 4 3s are 12. 4 minus 12 is minus 8 and the correct option is minus 8. That is B minus 8. Okay. Zeros of polynomial of p of x, x minus 5 is. We know that x minus 5 is nothing but x is equals to 5. So the correct answer is D 5. Minus 5 they have given, right? So I have solved here. D is equals to p of x is equals to x minus 5, x is equals to minus 5, we take this side 5. So the correct option is D is equals to 5. Let us see the next question here. In the figure, EF parallel to what they have told, BC, DE parallel to BC, they have done my mistake here, EF. Then AB is, here AB value we have to find. We know that by BPT, AD by C, here I'll show you in figure, AD by AB, corollary of BPT, AD by AB, AE by AC I have written. So AD value is 3, AB they have told us to find, so kept as it is equals to AE value is 2 and AC value is 4 given. So here 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Now AB into 1 is AB, 3 2s are 6. So correct option is 6 centimeter. Let us see. Here the answer A is 6 centimeter. Common difference of AP 1 minus 3 comma minus 1 comma minus 5 is. So common difference how we can find? Here I have solved. See, 3 comma minus 1 comma minus 5. So D is equals to second term minus first term. So first term, this is formula minus, first term is 3. Both minus means we have to do plus. So the answer is nothing but minus 4. And the correct option is C minus 4. Next question, line represented by a linear equation 2x plus 3y minus 9 equal to 0 and 4x plus 6y minus 8 is equals to 0 are. Here we will solve in this way. I have already solved. 2x, this is our a1 value, b1 value and c1 value, a2, b2 and c2. So we will write here, it is not visible clearly, again I'll 2 by 4 is equals to, okay, 2 by 4 is equals to 3 by 6 is equals to 9 by 8. Now we can see 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 3 ones are 3, 3 2 the 6. Here 9 by 8 is not equal. That means here half both are equal. That means A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2 is not equal to C1 upon C2. That means parallel lines. Which lines they have asked? Parallel lines. Let us see parallel lines. Option A is the correct answer. Here next, ninth one. Find the sum of first 10 odd natural number. So here I have solved. Find the sum of first 10 odd natural number. Odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7. Here A value is 1, D value is second term minus first term, that is 3 minus 1 is equals to 2. We know sum they have told, so Sn is equals to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 whole square. Yes, 10 is equals to 10 by 2, 2 into A value is 1 plus 10 minus 1 into 2, D value is 2. So 2 ones are 2, 2 5s are 10, 5 as it is, 2 ones are 2 plus 10 minus 1, 9, 9 2s are 18 is equals to 5, 18 plus 2, 20, 20 5s are 5 2s are 10, 100. Sum of first 10 odd natural number is nothing but 100. Okay, let us see the next question here. Length of rectangle is 4 more than its breadth and its area is 12 centimeter. Represent this line in the form of quadratic equation. So I have solved here. They have told something about breadth, a length. So let the breadth be x centimeter. Length is 4 more than its breadth. So x plus 4. We know area of rectangle is length into breadth and it is given 12 centimeter square. So length into breadth x plus 4 is equals to 12. X into x, x square, x into 4, 4x. This 12 if we bring like this, minus is equals to 0. This is the quadratic equation. So they told to represent in the form of quadratic equation. Next question, express 105 as a product of primes. See 105 I have written in the as a product of prime. So 105, 5 2s are 10, 5 1s are 5, 3 7s are 21, 7 1s are 7. So as a product of prime, what we can write? 105 is equals to 3 5 7. These are the prime numbers and they are the product of primes. Here the 12th one question is a bit confusing. So, as it is coincide with x-axis, then find the value of y, means the both line coincide. So the value of y is b. 13th one, write the standard form of quadratic polynomial. It is nothing but ax square plus bx plus c. This is the quadratic polynomial. State fundamental theorem of arithmetic. We know that every composite number can be expressed or factorized as a product of primes, and this factorization is unique apart from the order in which the primes factor occur. This is only the statement for fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Next question, what they have told here, write the coordinates of midpoint of line joining point. That means we know the midpoint formula. So coordinate of midpoint formula is nothing but x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. So this is the formula. And the last question is here in second main, what is the maximum number of solution of quadratic equation? We know quadratic means 2, so 2 solutions. Here we have completed first and second main, that is still question number 16. In my next video I am coming up with the next question. So do like and share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.